Hello and welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video. Today we've got the Golf Estate R-Line. We've got lots to cover with exterior and interior features, but let's start it off with driving this beast. Hit it. So then, let's take this GolfR for a test drive because this is a diesel. Now this is quite fast. This is the Golf R-Line as well, so it is very fast and it is quite nice to drive, to be fair. It is an automatic. So I'm not used to one of those yet, but this is a quite fast GolfR. It's an R-Line, so it's got some good acceleration, but the 0 to 62 time is 8.9 seconds, which is quite slow for an R-Line, but this is the Estate. But it's got a top speed of 139 miles per hour, which isn't too bad. It's got 4 cylinders, 16 valves, and 266 newton meters of torque, which isn't too bad, which produces 60.10 mpg, so it's quite nice to drive, to be fair. And it's the automatic, which is always quite nice, saves your left leg, but it's quite nice to drive. The steering wheel's leather, so it's easy and smooth to navigate with. It does have a little bit of acceleration but it is a 2-litre engine, 150 PS, which isn't too bad. Just a very slow 0 to 62 time. At 8.9 seconds, I thought that would be a bit quicker, especially for the R-Line. So overall, I think this is a really nice car. It's not as quick, it's not got that acceleration that I expected, but for a 2-litre, but for a 0 to 62 time, it is quite poor, especially for an R-Line. So then let's take a quick tour of the car then. For starters, we've got the LED headlights. Now these make it easy enough to see at night time. We've got the big VW badge right in the centre as always, with this silver trim around it, and you've got the R badging just there, not to mention this big black open looking grille and the big bonnet on the front. What about these alloys? Well then, with the Golf Estate R-Line, you do get the 17-inch Valencia styled alloy wheels. You get the 5 double spoke alloy wheels that look okay. They look a little bit boring, but the silver trim does work with the badging and the silver on the front. But they're nothing too special, a little bit boring, but they're nice and easy to clean. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if you agree with me, or could they spice it up a little bit? Well then, from its side, you get to see the Estate in all its glamour. The alloy wheels shine with a deep black pearlescent colour. You get the body coloured wing mirrors with the LED. You've got the black roof racks that make it really easy on family vacations. You've got the side skirt, which kits it out and makes it look a little bit better. And not to mention its size is 4,163 millimeters in length, which is really long for the Estate. So then, round the back, what do we get? For starters, we've got the extended roof spoiler to keep that rain out the heated privacy glass back window. Not to mention, you've got the VW logo and badging of the Golf. You've got the LED headlights, but what I think stands out a little bit more is the silver trim that you can see around on the back of the exhausts, and on either side, which stands out a little bit more. It blends in nicely with the Golf and the logo, and it just makes a little bit more character for the back of the Estate. Now, one of the standout things that I absolutely love about the Golf is these seats. They've got the part suede seat and part cloth material. Now, these look fantastic. It's got the diagonal zigzag pattern that looks really nice. I do love the suede, especially with the R-Line. It just really stands out and makes the interior so nice for the VW Golf Estate. So then, let's have a look at some interior features as well. For starters, we've got the infotainment screen. Now this is quite nice. You've got the black trim around it. What would be nice if it was full on infotainment screen? That would be nice, a bit like the Touareg. That would be lovely. But you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the heated seat system is on this dash just here, and it's nice and easy to touchscreen. It's even slidable, so it makes it nice and easy, or you could just press that on-off button and on, and that turns on the radio and all of that. But what I love is the carbon trim look-alike that you get on the dash, but it's also on the doors, and you've also got the suede on the doors as well, so it's a really nice interior. And in the back now is really spacious, as you can see, with a gap and the gap on my head, which is really good, especially for the backseat passengers. I don't know if you can see, but you've got that ambient lighting just along the doors there. That looks really nice. You've got them sporty seats in the front, but you also get the nice comfy seats in the back as well, with the suede and the cloth pattern. You've got the centre armrest. I love the cup holder, but I think I always say that it should be better with a cover, because when you're just trying to relax, it's always there and you can always feel it. But with a cover, it'll be nice and smooth and flat. But that does fold up and give you free seats. You've got plenty of door space, and these have got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats, so I really like the back of the estate as well. So then what this estate benefits from is a massive boot space. If I open this up, you can fit 633 litres of boot space in the back here. I'll try not to fall in like I've done before, but you've got loads of space in this boot, which is a massive benefit, especially if you've got the roof racks as well. You can put some more luggage space in there, but this has got 633 litres just with the seats up. They can fold down, and it gives you the space to put that extra spare tyre in there. So if you're ever in trouble, then that's perfect. So it does have a massive boot space. So then that's a quick tour of the VW Golf Estate R-Line. I hope you have enjoyed it. It is a beautiful deep black pearlescent car. It looks fantastic. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next Friday, I'll see you later.